Introducing the all-new 2024 Jeep Compass, where rugged capability meets refined design. Presented by more Chrysler, Jeep, Fiat. Let's get started. With its bold 7-slot grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines, the 2024 Compass stands out in any crowd. From its striking 19-inch alloy wheels to the available dual-pane panoramic sunroof, every detail is crafted to impress. Protective skid plates and a high ground clearance ensure that your Compass is ready for any off-road challenge. Step inside and you'll find a refined interior crafted with premium materials, offering both comfort and style. Enjoy heated and ventilated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and customizable ambient lighting for a luxurious driving experience. Stay connected with the latest Uconnect system, featuring a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless charging pad. Built for adventure, the Compass features Jeep's legendary 4x4 capability. With the Select Terrain Traction Management System, you can easily tackle any terrain, from snow to sand to mud. With advanced engine technology and an eco-friendly mode, the Compass helps you go further with less. Drive with confidence thanks to a suite of advanced safety features. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, while Lane Departure Warning helps keep you on track. Automatic emergency braking can help prevent collisions, and Parking Assistance makes navigating tight spots a breeze. Discover the new standard in compact SUVs, the 2024 Jeep Compass, ready for whatever lies ahead. Schedule a test drive or view our selection today at moreauto.com. Give us a call at 623-298-0141.